Hello and welcome everybody. KRKR stock on 26 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's start. So as we can see here, this is going to be such very important stock that can be applied here. So according to what we want, this is going to be referring back this part and this part increase, and this increase was going to be because they were two supports on the same trend line. If we think that third support is going to be so far from this trend line, so that means this is going to be another trend line upper this one, and this is going to be the increase in value next time. And that's what I wanted as a trader on this video to explain for you that KRKR stock on 26 November is going to be very serious and very important about what we want, and that what can I say about the explanation of the technical analysis in all the stocks and especially KRKR.